The Birdsong by Nicholas L. Fletcher. She drifts slowly along a desolate road, free like the wind. The clouds hang like puffs of smoke in the roof of her home. Looking up from pavements to the world, people pass her by. Shadows of bodies queuing for food. The sun melts the stars as nature awakens. Droplets of rain fall like moments here and now, frozen in time. The park brings peace and tranquillity. Love and hate collide in this lonely city, a ledge of reflections in a canvas of human graffiti. Birds dance as sweeping shadows glide across the steel and glass. Twisted skylines turn to a red sunset that pierces the heart as so wild and free. Nature's orchestra wakes and hails as a new dawn heralds. People walk by the flowers where she once sat. Life goes on like the birdsong.